Today's video is about the extra accessories we can add in the car. This is airpro air purifier. We can add any type of perfume in this. Next is Karcher high pressure washer. The cost for this is 5200 and you can see the unboxing here. This is the karcher horizontal machine. And this is the hose pipe for the water supply. This is for spraying the water. These are the nozzles used for spraying the water. This is the pressure washer gun. These are connectors. Now we are going to demonstrate the use of Karcher high pressure washer, and you can see that in this video. Now we are connecting the pipe. And we are spraying the water here. First we spray water, after that we'll put shampoo. This is the foam jet. The cost is 1100. Now we are putting shampoo into it, and now we are spraying. After shampooing, now we are washing the car. The process is over. This is the Bergmann vacuum cleaner and the inflator. So inflator and vacuum cleaner come together, and now I am unboxing it, and this is for the inflator. Now you can see the demonstration of it. It's very easy to use. We have two nozzles for this. This is the second nozzle. And this is the inflator. Inflator is very easy to connect, and this is the electronic sanitizer, and the cost is just 300 rupees. These are the sunshade protector. The cost is rupees 150 for 4 pieces. This is the windshield protector. It's very important to protect your Android system from the hot sun. This is the memory foam pillow for the neck. It's very comfortable to use, especially for the long rides, and this is the lumbar support. This is also made up of the memory foam. This is the Boat car charger. It's having dual port. It's having 2 years warranty and it is working very well. This is star decoration lamp. The cost is rupees 300. Here you can see a demo. To save and enjoy more, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.